A number of reports are produced by the LMS automatically for you. For instance, you can print a daily attendance register automatically, which gives you the attendee's name, their company, reference numbers and contact details, and a place for them to sign. Also a place for the facilitator to sign. And at the bottom it says, please check your name and spelling, as this is the information that will appear on your certificate. So hopefully learners will take advantage of that, and you don't have this problem of people coming back weeks later asking for a different spelling or a different name on their certificate. Now that's a daily one. By the same token, you can print a 7-day attendance register for longer courses with exactly the same kind of detail on there, and again space for the guys to sign. You can fill up an event planner. Now, it's all in good having said that you wanted facilitator Dan Mayani, assessor Abel, etc. But have they been booked? And in particular, if you're running a course in, say, Johannesburg and the course is in Durban or Cape Town, whatever, where you're away from the mainstream administration, it's good to know you've got some way of checking to see that things have been done. And on here, we would have the training room that would come through automatically, and we'd tell it, or we'd record the date it was booked. Was it confirmed? Who booked it? Number booked will come automatically from the system. Was the Proxima booked in case you need to use one in part of your course, and who booked it? And we can put some notes if we want on there, and a venue price should we want. In fact, that comes through automatically, should I say, from the booking platform above. Are we using external providers? If so, have we confirmed them? Who booked them? Same with manuals. Have they been booked? How many? Who ordered them? So if the manuals don't appear at the training venue, you can get hold of Frank, say, hey Frank, where are the manuals? He can get his contact, and we'll find out maybe the manuals are held up in traffic and will be there in 5 or 10 minutes. But you've got some control over it. You wanted Abel as the assessor. Have you confirmed him? Are we using transport? Are we flying people in? Are we busing people in? Our facilitator. Have we confirmed? Yes, Sharon has confirmed with Dan in writing that he's going to be there. Have we confirmed our food? Very important that we confirm food, and people often find that great courses go awry because of bad food planning and bad air conditioning. And once we have this, we can click on the event planning record and it'll have all that information in front of us. So if we do have a problem, we know who to get hold of immediately and get things sorted out. We can pull out booking confirmation letters with the name of the learner, contact details, the name of the course, amounts outstanding and a location. And at the bottom, your telephone number saying who they should contact if they can't make it. And bear in mind, remember the telephone numbers come on the top section when you're putting your company info in, which we'll talk about later. We can go to venue availability. It'll tell us all the venues that have already been booked in the period that we've just put these parameters in for. And there's a list of all the training rooms, what they're booked for, who the facilitator is, and the status. So if you're not too sure about training room 1 on between the 8th and the 23rd of January, you can check with Dan, is it still provisional, or is it confirmed, or has it been cancelled? It's the same with facilitators. Click on there, and again we can see the facilitators who are booked and when they're booked, and are they provisional, or are they confirmed, or has the job actually been completed? We can invoice per learner, where we pick off the information from the learner. It'll print out the invoice for us. If we have a VAT registration number, which you probably wouldn't do per learner, it would appear there with your logo and information on there, again coming automatically from the booking section. Or we can do it per company, and there's the information there coming again from the booking section. And they are the add-on reports that we have on the side there. We'll look at other things like evaluation managers and costing and assessments in the next training schedules.